What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video today I'm going to be sharing with you 12 top paying companies in Jamaica. In these companies you can earn a gross salary of $200,000 or more up to $1 million. Now I'm not saying if you just get a job in one of these companies you're going to be landing one of those position where you get those incomes. So not because I say they are high paying companies mean all position are paid that amount. There are different things that will impact your income in these companies, whether you're a contract position or a full-time staff and your seniority. Typically when you're in a contract position in these companies, you're likely to get like $130 or $120 or even $40,000. So you need to bear that in mind. These companies are not in any particular order, but coming in at number one we have Rustic, which is a software development company. And if you know anything about software development, those are one of the highest paying jobs right now, right around the world. And in Jamaica, it's no different. If you're a software developer or software engineer, you're likely to have an above average income. Now, all companies are not created and pay equally, so not because you're a software engineer at company B means that you'll be getting the same thing at company A. So you have to keep that in mind. Number two, probably one of your best friend, Jamaica Customs Agency. They are responsible for protecting your borders and protecting it from illegal trade. I know a lot of people don't like customs because they always say customs charge them a lot of money for this and customs charge them a lot of money for that. But customs pay a decent salary as well. Coming at number three, we have Archers NTA, which is responsible for equipping the youth with the relevant skills and knowledge so they can add value to society and make some money. At number four, we have Face Commodity that operates in the retail and distribution sector. They distribute a variety of household foods and products such as juice, meat, and much more. So a review from Glassdoor from a former employee also states that they have good pay, they have good supervisor, and you work on your own. But one downside is late delivery. So I'm assuming that's coming from like a truck driver. And number five, we have Jampro. Jampro promotes business opportunity in export and investment to local and international private sector to drive growth through investment in Jamaica. I also went on Glassdoor for this company and checked a few reviews. One employee stated on the pro side stated that they have flexible hours, subsidized lunch, and they have performance-based incentive. Now on the con side, they say management don't really care about employees and there are constant comments about how you look, your appearance. And another one is that there's not much room for growth. Now keep in mind this is just one review from one employee and this is not a reflection of the entire company. So at number six, we have another software development company, which is Quality Works. At number seven, we have NCB Financial Group. And you may have known this based on an incident that took place in the NCB Financial Bank. So you know you can make good money at NCB. So I also went on Glassdoor and checked the reviews for NCB Financial Group. One of the reviews stated that they have good salary when compared to similar positions on the market. So NCB, you can expect to make money. And remember, not because they do pay a good salary means you're going to jump in the company and start making big bucks. There are things that you have to consider: contract, permanent, and your seniority. So just like NCB Financial Group, we have Sagicor Group. So under Sagicor Group, you can find companies like Sagicor Investments, Sagicor Insurance, and Sagicor Bank. And number 10, your best friend, Jamaica Public Service. Number 11, Digicel. And you may be thinking Digicel would have been number one, but Digicel, nah, I don't think Digicel is really number one when it comes down to highest, but they are in the top set of companies that pay a decent salary. And number 12, we have another financial group, which is JMMB Group. Now this concludes my list of top paying companies in Jamaica. If you believe a company should be on the list that is not there, feel free to leave your comment below. Also, if you have any reviews on any of these companies, just leave a comment in the comment section as well. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.